Hello students, welcome to grade 9th Triangles part 2. Today we start with exercise 7.1 question number 7. So this is the figure for the question. It is given that P is a midpoint of the line segment AB. BAD angle is equal to ABE. Angle EPA, that is angle 1 and angle 3, they are given to be equal. That we have to show that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP, and also that AD is equal to BE. AD and BE are equal. This is to be proved. Now consider these two triangles only. In these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle B, and it is given AP is equal to PB, as P is the midpoint of AB. Since angle 1 and angle 3 are equal, if we add angle 2 to both of them separately, the resulting angle will also be equal. That means angle DPA will be equal to EPB. Now, number 1, 2 and number 3, they imply that by ASA congruency case, triangle DAP is congruent to EBP. Since they are congruent, so we can say that AD is equal to BE by CP/CT. Question number 8. Here, the figure for the question is this one, and in this, what is given? ABC is right angled at C. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. Alright, and DM is equal to MC. We have to show the triangle AMC, this triangle, and triangle BMD, these two triangles are congruent, and angle, we have to show that angle DBC, this angle is 90 degree, and thirdly we have to show that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. And lastly, we have to show that CM, this CM is equal to half of AB. So here first we consider triangle AMC and triangle BMD. These two triangles, they can be considered. In these two triangles, DM is equal to CM and AM is equal to BM, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by SAS congruency case, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle DMB. So, if they are congruent, we can say angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. But these are alternate angles, which means that BD and AC are parallel. Now, angle DBC and angle ACB, they are interior angles on the same side of the transversal, and DB and AC are parallel. Therefore, they should be supplementary. But already this angle is 90 degree. So, angle DBC is equal to 180 minus 90. That is, angle DBC is equal to 90. So, second part is also proved. Also, DB is equal to AC by CP/CT. Now, consider triangle DBC. Triangle DBC and triangle ACB. Here angle DBC and angle ACB are 90 degree each. Just now we have proved that DB and AC are equal, and BC is equal to BC common. Therefore, by SAS congruency rule, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Now, if they are congruent, we can say that DC is equal to AB. And if they are equal, their halves will also be equal. That means half of DC is equal to half of AB. Now CM is equal to half of CD. So we can say CM is equal to half of AB there, because here M is dividing DC into two equal parts. Next we come to theorem number 7.2. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. This is an important theorem. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. How to prove? Here also we will make use of congruency. So let us start. Given triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. To prove that angle B is equal to angle C or angle C is equal to angle B. Construction. Draw AD as angle bisector of angle A. Then angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Now in triangle BAD and triangle CAD, AB is equal to AC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by construction, and AD is equal to AD common. Therefore, by SAS congruency case, triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD. This implies that angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. Hence, proved. Now, let us start with exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Here in this, what is given? It is given, this exercise will be application of the theorem that we have just now discussed. Now, what is given in question number 1? The triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC and OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is equal to half of angle B, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, that is equal to half of angle C. To show OB and OC are to show OB is equal to OC, and also that AO is the bisector of angle A. Construction. Join OA. Consider triangle AOC and triangle AOB. In these two triangles, AB is equal to AC, given. AO is equal to AO, common. And also, you see here, angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, therefore angle B is equal to angle C. So we can take half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 4, which implies that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So this implies now that OB is equal to OC. Now number 1, number 2 and number 3, they say, according to them, we can have by SSS congruence case, triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle AOC. And then this implies that angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. These two angles will be equal now. That means AO bisects angle A. Question number 2. Given triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. To show triangle ABC is isosceles, that is AB is equal to AC. Now for this, consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Given angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. BD is equal to DC because AD is the bisector of BC and AD is common. Therefore, by SAS congruency case, these two triangles are congruent. Once these two triangles are congruent, we can say AB is equal to AC. So, therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Question number 3. The figure for the question is this. Here, given triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to AC, BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. To show that BE is equal to CF, consider triangle ABE and triangle ACF. In these two triangles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90. Angle A is common and AB is equal to AC. Therefore, by AAS angle side, AAS congruency case, triangle ABE is congruent to ACF. This implies that BE is equal to CF by CP/CT. There is another proof for this. So what we can do is, since AB is equal to AC and angle C is equal to angle B, therefore we can consider triangle FBC and triangle ECB. ठीक है, ये दोनों triangles भी ले सकते हैं हम. In these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle C and angle this F and E, they are equal to 90 degree and BC is common. Therefore, by AAS case, these two triangles on the base BC, they will be congruent. If they are congruent, then again we can say that BE is equal to CF by CP/CT. Question number 4. Figure is given here like this. What is given? Triangle ABC in which BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. We have to show that BE, and this is given, these things are given, BE is equal to CF. Now we have to show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF and that AB is equal to AC. Now consider these two triangles. In these two triangles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle A given, and it is given that BE is equal to CF. Therefore, by AAS congruency case, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Now, if they are congruent, then we can say AB is equal to AC by CP/CT. Question number 5. What is given to us? Triangle ABC and triangle DBC. These two triangles are given in which AB is equal to AC and DB is equal to DC. To prove angle ABD is equal to ABD, this complete angle is equal to ACD. Means these two angles are equal. Proof. In triangle ABC, we have AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. In triangle DBC, you have these two sides equal. Therefore, these two angles will be equal by the property that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Add both. What do you get? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. You can add both. So you get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, which means angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Hence proved. There is another proof for this. That is, what you can do in this is that you can join this line, right? When you join this AD, when you are joining A and D, you get two triangles ABD and ACD. Now in these two triangles, you see AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to DC, and also AD is common. So by SSS congruency case, these two triangles will be congruent. If these two are congruent, then these angles will be equal by CP/CT. Thank you.